Okay, we are powering up the Rosco Dual Vision XC4. Going through a power up cycle. It's displaying the time, which is correct. GPS indicates that it has acquired a GPS signal. Record on the bottom indicates that the device is recording. If we want to shut down the device, say we want to remove the SD card, what we have to do is, first of all, turn the key off. You'll see the screen go dim. There's a button on the side that you hold and press for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will display SHUT, like shutdown. It will go dark. You'll hear the tone. Just to be safe, we're going to wait until that tone stops. The device is now powered down. After unlocking the side retainers with the provided keys, it is now safe to remove the device from the cradle for service or to remove, replace, or extract data from the SD card. If you don't follow these procedures, you can corrupt the data on the card. Thanks and have a good day.